Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be showcasing the top 10 cool woodworking tools you can buy this year. Stay tuned as we guide you through each model's features and benefits. Let's get started. POMSARE BG40 Sphere Rotary Burr. The POMSARE BG40 Sphere Rotary Burr fits standard 4.5 or 5-inch American angle grinders with 5/8 to 11 threads, making it perfect for rough work, shaping, contouring, and grinding. Made of carbon steel, it ensures durability and long-lasting sharpness. Ideal for freehand wood shaping, hollowing, and undercutting, it works well with both wet and dry wood. The hundreds of aggressive burrs ensure a smooth finish while removing large amounts of wood. Always wear protective gear and use an adjustable speed angle grinder for best results. This tool is great for carving wooden bowls, spoons, tree faces, and other wooden work. AUTOTOOLHOME Self-Centering Doweling Jig. The AUTOTOOLHOME Self-Centering Doweling Jig is designed for making accurate butt joints, miter joints, and edge joints. Made from aircraft-grade aluminum, it offers stability and corrosion resistance. It includes 6 hardened steel drill bushings in sizes 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch. The jig's clamping capacity ranges from 3/8 inch to 6 inches, making it suitable for various board thicknesses. The rugged aluminum sides and steel block ensure secure clamping without damaging the wood. Ideal for drilling guides and woodboard joints, this doweling jig is an essential tool for woodworking projects and panel furniture assembly. STEAD and Fast Tack Cloth. The STEAD and Fast Tack Cloth is a pack of 15 premium cotton cloths, each measuring 18 by 36 inches, perfect for removing dust from woodworking and automotive surfaces. These wax and silicone-free cloths are anti-static with just the right amount of tack to attract dirt, lint, and sawdust. Ideal for finishing and polishing, they provide a smooth surface ready for final finishes such as varnish, stains, and lacquers. Easy to use, they can be folded and stored for repeated use. Perfect for both hobbyists and professionals, these tack cloths ensure a clean, dust-free surface every time. WORKPRO W001420 Mini Bar Clamps. The WORKPRO Mini Bar Clamps set includes 2 4.5 inch and 2 6-inch clamps. Each clamp can also function as a spreader, with the 4.5 inch extending to 7 7/8 inches and the 6 inch to 11 1/4 inches. Made from reinforced nylon and hardened steel, these clamps offer a clamping force of up to 150 pounds. They are lightweight yet sturdy, perfect for woodworking and household repairs. Non-marring, replaceable pads ensure a secure grip, while the quick-release latch allows for easy adjustment. The ergonomic handle and dipping plastic on the latch provide comfort during use. IRWIN 1201 Handsaw. The IRWIN handsaw features a 15-inch steel blade with M22 technology, tri-ground teeth for fast, efficient cuts. The tapered pitch nose provides improved clearance and stability, while the deep gullets quickly remove chips. The thick body blade ensures rigidity and control, making it ideal for woodworking. The Pro Touch handle offers comfort and durability, allowing for extended use without discomfort. This handsaw is designed for manual winding and is perfect for carpenters and DIY enthusiasts seeking precise, reliable cuts in wood. GOINGMAKE Woodworking T-Square. The GOINGMAKE Woodworking T-Square is a 12-inch aluminum alloy ruler designed for precision. With 1/32 inch hole scribing guides, it ensures accurate marking and measuring for carpenters. The CNC Machine T ruler maintains straightness and squareness, with clear laser-etched scales for easy reading. 2 support lips prevent tipping during use, making it perfect for drawing parallel lines. This versatile tool is ideal for solid lumber and small cabinet parts, delivering angular precision of plus or minus 0.02 degree and supporting 0.31 mm mechanical pencils for accurate scribing. YOSELIN Wheel Marking Gauge. The YOSELIN Wheel Marking Gauge features a brass and aluminum alloy body, ensuring high quality and durability. The 8-inch precision grinding bar has laser-printed scales in both metric and imperial units, accurate to 1/32 inch and 1 mm. This tool includes a dovetail marking jig with a special window for easy scale observation. Ideal for woodworking, the marking knife and wheel gauge provide precise measurements. Simple to use, it is perfect for both beginners and experienced woodworkers, offering reliable accuracy for every project. WEYTOLL Wood Scribe Tool. The WEYTOLL Wood Scribe Tool is a versatile linear and arc dual-purpose scriber made from aluminum alloy, stainless steel, and brass for long-lasting durability. It features an engraved graduated ruler with both metric and imperial measurements, ensuring high accuracy. The anti-roll design includes sturdy knobs to keep the gauge stable. Compatible with refills, needles, and pencils, it can scribe on various materials like ceramic, iron, acrylic, wood, and glass. This multifunctional tool enhances efficiency, making it a practical choice for any woodworking project. POWERTEC 71080 Plastic Center Fender. The POWERTEC Plastic Center Fender tool is designed for quickly and accurately finding the center of wood stock. Suitable for round, square, octagonal pieces up to 8 inches and hexagonal pieces up to 5 3/4 inches. This tool is perfect for drilling, lathe work, and scribing circles. Made from impact-resistant plastic, it ensures durability and optimal visibility with its semi-transparent orange design. Easy to use, simply place the tool, mark a line, rotate 90 degrees, and mark again for precise center finding. CLARKE Brothers Dovetail Marker. The CLARKE Brothers Dovetail Marker is a precise woodworking tool with 4 slope options: 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 8, and 110. Made from a solid billet of aluminum with a black and red anodized finish, it offers durability and style. The double-sided annotations feature gradual imperial measurements, making it easy to mark out timber accurately. The extra-large ergonomic design allows for secure placement against wood, ensuring precise marking and cutting. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, this dovetail marker simplifies the process of creating dovetail joints. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you find the perfect cool woodworking tools for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and reviews. See you next time.